How to change name in Bank of America. To change your name on Bank of America account, you need to follow some steps. Go to a local Bank of America branch in person. Bring the legal documentation of your name change along with your current identification. Approach a bank representative and inform them that you need to update your name on bank account. You may need to fill out a name change form and provide the necessary documents as proof. After verifying your documents, the bank will update your account information with your new name. It may take some time for the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.